Hello Kapam! This is Nanay, this is Claire. Welcome to our channel. Ang awkward. Dapat kasi si Claire lalo talaga yun eh. Okay, kay Claire lalo talaga yun eh. Ang awkward ko talaga. Hindi ko alam kung ikahugulat kung ikatutuwa ko, kung ikalulungkot ko. Tingnan na lang natin. But, let me start from here. Ang gulo kong magkwento. Okay. Alright. But anyway, so most probably, people really know me to be a nurse. And when I came back to the Philippines, 2017, gulo ko talagang magkwento. Ayan. Okay. 2018, it was a part of my life where I want to discover something new or to try something new. Hindi lahat ng friends ko actually, or even my closest friends, didn't know na kumuha ko ng board exam last September 29, 2019. Gusto ko talaga siyang i-share, pero gusto ko na sana na with result na ng LET. If papala rin tayo, sana. Ayan, I record some clips to show or to share to you my board exam experience for LET. But unfortunately, hindi ko na po makapapakita sa inyo yun. Yung computer na sinavan ko or tinansferan ko ng mga video files na yon, lahat talaga nabura dahil sa virus. Siya parang hybrid na virus siya, so matinding virus. Tinay siyang i-recover ng isang IT, pero hindi talaga magawa ng paraan. Not really to reenact, but to retell my experience maybe. Nawawala na naman ako. So balik tayo sa timeline. April to May 2018, a DIT or Diploma in Teaching program sa West Visayas State University or WSU. And then, I finished it last March of 2019. Meron po akong 24 units sa teaching. Start po kaming mag-review sa Carl Ibalita Review Center, Iloilo branch. Noong May 18, that was our first day ng review, and it was a diagnostic exam. Your basis, kung paano magiging progress mo or takbo mo throughout the review. And I found out na, although okay naman yung score na nakuha ko, pero I found out talaga na yung Gen Ed. Okay, so I think I have to start there. Ang gulo ko talaga. Okay, so basically sa LET or Licensure Exam for Teachers, meron kaming tatlong kukuning exam, which is different with elementary kasi meron silang general education at prof ed or professional education. For us secondary teachers and unit earners, we're going to take 3 exams. So that is general education, professional education, at yung majorship namin. So ako, nahirapan ako dun sa Gen Ed kasi Gen Ed is from social science, general science, English, Filipino, mathematics. Saka hindi ako diligent na student nung nag-aaral ako. Yung sciences ng board exam ay nakahati sa dalawa, physical science and biological sciences. So as a nurse, they put me into biological sciences. Meron kaming 16 na topic, at ang nakakaloka is that ang 16 na yon, isa lang dun yung gamay ko. Human anatomy and physiology, yun talaga yung super marirelate ko siya sa nursing. But the rest, although na subject namin siya sa nursing, but it was second year, it was minor subjects sa nursing, hindi talaga dun kami nag-focus. Shallow lang talaga. And the rest, wala. It came from elementary years and high school, so I really have to study from scratch, as in zero. Yan po sila. Yan po. So, human anatomy and physiology lang po yung alam ko dyan. Review days namin is Saturdays and Sundays. Ng pre-board, which happened August 31. Okay naman yung result ng pre-board exam ko, but ang dami kong katang doon. Tinatawag ko yung katang kasi na-learn ko din yun nung nag-nursing review kami. Ibig sabihin yan, katangahan. Yes, katang is katangahan. So, easy questions talaga na nami-miss ko siyang i-correct. Nung nursing board exam, meron din akong katang. Sobrang easy ng tanong na hindi ko siya nasagot ng tama. At na-realize ko na lang siya nung lumabas na ako ng classroom. September 24, nag 7 churches kami ni Claire Ledoux kasi ritual nga yun. pag board exam, di ba, nagsa 7 churches ka. Nung nursing board exam, nag 7 churches din kami. Hindi lang 7. I think we visited 11 churches with my barkada. Unfortunately, na-delete na naman po yung mga videos na yun. Nagkasakit din si Claire Lalu sa last week na yon. Tapos nahawa din ako. Nagkaroon din ako ng flu sa last week na yon. Kaya yung final coaching namin, may flu ako. Tapos, even the day of the board exam, one day before the board exam, yun talaga yung magpo-post talaga yung PRC ng room assignment nyo. But since we had it online already na ako, alam ko na talaga kung saan ako mag-board exam. So, 2 days before, nag-visit na kami ng mga friends ko kasi may lagnat nga din ako. Sabi ko, for the last day, papahinga na lang talaga ako sa bahay. Luckily, yung room assignment ko is the same school na nag-take ako ng board exam ng nursing. So, it was also my alma mater, the Iloilo National High School. September 28, myself, hindi na ako nagbasa ng concepts. I just do it alone. Like, I'm lecturing myself, you know? Just an overview of everything. That's all that I did. And then, pinigilan ko talaga na matulog. Alam mo yon. Bumili ako ng non-drowsy na BioFlu. Natulog ako ng 9 p.m. Nagising ako ng 4 o'clock a.m. Kasi I cannot leave the house without eating breakfast. So, polo shirt, black pants ako at black shoes, yun. O yung mga bit-bit ko nung nagtitake ako ng board exam, nilagay ko po talaga actually sa pocket ko. Dito ko na lang isi-share kasi na-delete nga yung video na yun. Kung makikita niyo po, 3 rosary siya. I always have these things when I'm in a battle. Schoolmates ko nung college. From my close friend Joy. So, nasa pocket ko din nung kumuha ko ng nursing board exam. Co-worker, in Libya, nung nandun po kami nagtatrabaho as nurses sa Libya. Papakita ko na lang dito. Ito siya. Kasi hindi ko siya dito nadala sa taas. CBRC bracelet. Lahat yon ng taga CBRC may ganong bracelet. So, almost 20 years ago, seryoso talaga, ito po siya. Actually, ito, 20 years ago, meron pa tong laman, yung parang Coke, ganyan. So, pag-aari to ng isa sa mga closest friends ko talaga. And she died when we were in 3rd year high school because of asthma. Nakakaloka yung friend ko na yun. Sobrang talino at sobrang ganda niya talaga. Sar, pabarog ng brain mo kahit konti. Kaya board exam tayo September 29, 2019. So, ang board exam po ng teachers is one day. Dumating yata ako ng 6:05 a.m. Ayan. Parang, I was not nervous, but I am more excited. Di ko alam eh. Siguro kasi nakaranas na akong mag-board exam dati. So, baka yun. Oo, pero parang kasi blanco ako. Gusto kong maalala yung mga lessons namin, yung mga need review, pero wala. Seat number 8 ako. Sabi ko, ay, lucky 8, pwede to, ganon. General education. 2 hours siya. So, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Natapos ako ng 9:50 a.m. Kasi nga, weakest ko talaga yung Gen Ed, alam mo yun. So, after that, kumain kami ng friend ko kasi luckily talaga yung close friend ko ng DIT. Hi, Hope! Hello, Hope! So, kumain talaga kami ng rice kasi sabi namin yung susunod na laban ay mahigpit. Professional education naman, 150 items din, pero we're going to finish that for 3 hours. So, nakakaloka itong Prof. Ed na part kasi, di ba, ito nga yung pinaka-importanting exam na pwede mong iangat talaga yung average mo eh. Magka-count ka ng pages, diba, to make sure that everything is complete and yung items. At when we check items, hindi kasi ako tumitingin sa questions kasi ayaw ko na nape-preempt yung mata ko or yung utak ko kung ano yung question. Actually ako, nagbabasa talaga ako ng instructions. Kahit alam ko na yung instructions, pero binabasa ko talaga yung instructions. Namin nakikita ko nag-shade. Kasi ako nasa instruction pa din ako. Promise talaga, pag tingin ko ng number 1, bigla ako napahinto at bigla akong napapikit. Sabi ko kasi, gosh, bakit ang blur ng paningin ko? Tapos pag ganyan ko sa mukha ko, sabi ko, oh no, hindi ko suot ang eyeglasses ko. Lahat nagsishade na. So, pag nagumpisa na kasi yung exam, bawal nang lumabas. Eh yung bags namin nasa labas, nandun yung eyeglasses ko, mga besh. Nakakabasa naman ako ng walang eyeglasses. Yun nga lang, less focus kasi may astigmatism ako. So, minsan sumasakit yung ulo ko dahil sa focus. Pag masyado kong nakatutok, tingin ako. Sabi ko, Lord, gusto mo talaga akong maging nurse, Ayaw mo talaga akong maging teacher. Ganon ako. Feeling ko nun, hindi na ako papasa. Yung taker na nasa likod ko, pasa na talaga siya ng paper. Tapos tumingin ako ng relo ko, 11:55. So, 11:55 a.m. Nung tiningnan ko yung sheet ko, number 46 ako. 46, diba? Need to move faster. So, at least 52 questions per hour. Natapos ko ang Prof Ed ng 1:50 p.m. So, I really told myself na sa Prof Ed, magte-take time talaga ako. I will not rush the time. So, 3 p.m. to 6:30 p.m., kukuha kami ng major shift namin. Minake sure ko na talaga, suot ko na talaga ang eyeglasses, ganon, kasi sabi ko major shift. So, malaki din kasi yung percentage ng major shift namin. Natapos kong major shift ko ng 5:30 p.m. I remember that. Tapos, after ng board exam, umuwi na ako ng diretso. At the back of my mind, parang, ay, salamat, natapos din. Ganon. Iniisip ko talaga nun, tonight, I'm going to watch as many Hallmark movies that I can. I will watch as many crime documentaries that I can. Nung nursing, yun talaga, mas grabe yung anxiety ko nun. Sa sa nursing board exam, it came as a surprise. Parang mga 11 p.m. na. Tapos kami ng messages, parang I think 45 or 50 plus na messages. Tapos yung una kong nabuksan, Madam, hindi ako nakapasa. Yun talaga yung una ko nabasa. Clinose ko talaga yung phone ko. Tawagan ko yung ate ko sa Cebu kasi wala kaming internet eh. Naririnig mo ako? Gumaganon pa yung boses, mukhang pasad-sad. Yun, nakapasa pa ako, hindi. Sigaw-sigaw talaga ako ganon. Kasi first license, yung first board exam mo, sobrang happy ka. Parang hindi ako nagka-count ng days. Yung na-realize ko na lang nung nakita ko yung kalendaryo. Oh my God! Parating na pala yung result! Ngayon, November 25, kung tatanungin niyo ako, wala akong feeling. Wala akong feeling. Parang parang gusto ko na lang malaman talaga kung nakapasa ako or hindi ako nakapasa. You know, sabi nga nila, claim it. So, papasa tayo. Pero kasi ako, I never took for granted any exam. Kasi ako, naniniwala ako na kahit maliit or malaking exam, it's the measurement of your own competency, your own achievement, your own ability, your own skill. It's really about you. It's not about of comparing who will be the best one sa exam, kung papasa or fail. But it's like seeing like, oh my God, I did it. You know, yung parang ganon, yung parang masasabi sa rin na, I did it, so kaya ko pala. Sana hindi siya katulad ng nursing result ko na it came as a surprise. Hopefully this one, marirecord ko siya really yung reaction ko, ganon. 11:23 p.m. na, so kailangan ko na din pong kumain ng dinner at magpahinga. And I will just see you on the results day. Wish me luck!